Okay. Show me your. Now let me show you the process. Let me show you the process how you can download Scratch, and this process is for Kasim and Zayan.
Not for me.
For you also, but you have already done that. So that is why this small part is not for you, but the next part is for you also. So I
Okay.
go to again show you the whole process again, scratch.mit.edu, and you press enter. After pressing enter, what you do is you go down, 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 down. And here you see in resources, you see this button which says download. So Zayan, show me your thumb if you can find that. Good. Kasim, can you find it? Perfect. Now you click on this download and go to the next screen. Here it says that install the Scratch app for Windows. So either you can get it from Microsoft or you can click here to get it directly. So you click here, which says direct download. Okay, you click on this one and just click on save if this appears. So this would start to download. And once it has downloaded completely, you can just simply install it. So I'm not going to actually download it because I might have it somewhere already. Yes, I already have it here. So I will just show you how to install it, and I would not install it again. Let me first save this file. Name num 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 num. It's name animation. Do you want to see this name animation? Who wants to see this name animation?
Me.
Okay, see what happens in this one. So your name is now dancing. Okay.
How do I do that?
I will show you how to do that. Don't worry. And also I would show you another animation. That's also not very good one, but it's a good one. Simple animation. First, I need to save it actually. So this is name animation. And now I need to open that other one. Its name is simple, not simple. Its name is simple animation. Oh, it's stuck. Why is it stuck? I'm not sure why it is stuck. So you click on OK. So this is another simple animation. See what happens in this one is here there is a cat and there is a mouse. They start running, and after some time, the cat catches the mouse like that and eats it. So this is also a simple animation that you could make in Scratch. We have already used some code to make this animation. So I would show you guys also how to do that. So this is a very simple example of some of the stuff that you can do on Scratch, but obviously you can do difficult stuff there as well. So as I told you, once you would download that, the next thing that you need to do is install it. So once where you download it, just click that downloaded file and it would open like that, which says choose installation options. So what you need to do is select only for me here and click on install. And it's not going to take more than 2 minutes to get installed. It would just take like 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes, this is going to be installed onto your PC. So once you have Scratch installed, after that, you can open Scratch and start making something in it.
How do I do that?
That what? How do you do what?
How, the thing that you just did.
That dancing?
Completing. Yeah.
Okay. I will show you how to do that, but not today. Today I will show you something else. Okay.
Okay.
And also,
But how do I?
okay. Also,
But how do I?
also I
How
have
do I?
also I have recorded this lesson, the previous one in which I made that animation. I would share that with you also so that you can watch it. Okay.
Okay.
Now you have got Scratch here. So today we are going to learn how can we make a simple animation. So we are going to make an animation of a guy who is let's say walking on the street, or a bear who is walking on the street. So first let's see that what are the things that we need. So every time you start making an animation, always try that you write everything that you want to do. Zayan, a very common concept that we did yesterday, writing an algorithm, right? You remember that?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't.
Because I didn't teach you that. So that is why you don't know that. See, there is a different class that you are sitting with right now. Okay. So algorithm for animation. So algorithm is like number of steps that you would follow to complete one thing. Our animation is walking boy. So we are going to make a boy walk from one part to the other part of the screen. And what we need is a boy sprite, then apply move steps and apply change costume. Then repeat how many times does that move. So it is very simple. First you need is a a boy sprite, and then you need to mark its start point.
But I don't get it though.
Yeah, I'm just writing the things that I would do in Scratch, and that would help me make a walking boy animation, an animation in which a boy is walking from one place to another. So first thing that you need to do is you need to select a boy sprite. So cross this out and let's see that how do we do that. You click here on choose a sprite and then you select a boy like this one, pen, and we can make it walk. And then there is this character every, which can walk. And then there is this character centaur, which we can make look like that it's walking. And then we have this D also that we can make look like that it's walking. So it's up to us that which character do we want. Okay, for example, this Hannah also can be shown like running. This Harper can change its colors. Jordan can be shown like walking. And similarly, there are many characters that we can pick and choose from. Okay, so but I'm going to choose a simple one. And that simple character that I'm going to use is going to be a boy walking. So I'm going to select a boy. So this Ben is a boy that I'm going to select. So currently you have got this Ben here. Okay, so this character that we have, Ben, what it needs to do is it needs to move. So how do we make a character move in Scratch is not difficult. For every character, you would see that there are many other costumes here. So these costume characters, they make your character move. So let's say that if I choose these two characters only, choose these two costumes only, this can make this Ben character look like that it's moving. So I think that I need only these two characters. So that is why I'm going to delete the other two that I don't need. I'm sorry, there was a call. So we need only these two, let's say it's costume. So costumes are like different positions of a character. So if I use these two costumes, I can make my character look like that it's moving. So I just need to do is write a code. And before writing a code, just to make it look more interesting, I'm going to add a backdrop. A backdrop is the background or the screen or the stage of your animation. So you are going to go to choose a backdrop and just choose any backdrop that you find is good for your game. Let's say that I say use this playing field.
Where did you get that backdrop from?
Cricket field.
Playing field, yes, playing field. I got this in the backdrops. So now
But
you
where's the backdrops? I can't see it on my screen.
it's this button here, choose a backdrop.
Where?
Can you see now? Can you see it on my screen?
I can't see your cursor.
So this is Scratch. You can see the Scratch window, right?
Yes.
Can you see my black cursor moving?
Yes.
If I
I
just,
can see your black
if I
cursor
just keep
moving.
it here, can you see it now?
Yes.
Okay, so that is where I choose a backdrop. I
Okay.
click on that one and then I can select any backdrop that I want. Okay. So now I will just make this character start from this point and go till this point. And for that, what we are going to do is make this character just simply walk. So this helps us make our character walk. So if I just need to check that how many times do I need to make this walk? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So it's almost 16 times I would have to make my character move forward. Okay, so it means that I have to make my character move 15 times, then it would reach here 16 times actually. So what I'm going to do is just use a control block here which says repeat. So this repeat block can help us repeat the same thing again and again. So if I tell my character to repeat moving 10 steps 32 times, it's obviously going to reach towards the end. It's not reaching there. So let's say I would put in 34 here and then start from here again and see if it reaches there. Almost there. So I'll make it 36.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
I can't find these backdrops.
You can't find the backdrop. Can you see this? Can you see this backdrops written here?
Where?
Can you see this white cursor? White cursor.
Yeah,
If
I
you
can
will
see.
If you will go down from here, you will see this blue button.
Yeah.
You need to click on that blue button and then you can select a backdrop.
Okay, thanks, sir.
No problem. So now you would see that if it takes 36 steps, it's moved there. But does this character look like that it's moving?
No.
No. So what we are going to do is we are going to decide how it would move. So we would say that it is going to move like that. Like what? It's going to move like this one. So it would change to next costume like this one and it would feel like that this character is moving. So I add it here. So this would happen now. Isn't that too fast? See,
Sir,
isn't that too fast?
Yes, it's very fast.
It's very fast. So let's try to make it slower. And in order to slow it down, we need to again use a control block. And that control block's name is wait. So we ask our character to wait for a very small time, like 0.2 seconds, very small time, and then do something like this. And it feels like that this character is moving and moving and moving and moving. Right?
Yes.
Okay. So now if you want to give an impact that this Ben character is taking ball with it, so for that I am going to choose a ball here first as a character.
Sir,
Yes, Mashaim.
I can't find the blocks that you put in.
Put it. Which blocks did I put it?
Or the blocks.
All of these. You can't find them? Oh,
Yeah.
this move 10 steps blocks. Do you see this motion block here?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you click on that? Do you see all these things here?
Which things?
These things, move 10 steps, turn 15 degrees, turn back 15 degrees. Do you see this on your screen? On your
Lip-
scratch, not on my scratch. Do you see this on your scratch?
No.
Okay, you don't see that. See, now you are going to share your screen and I'm going to help you do that.
Share my screen.
Yep.
Okay.
Zayan, Qasim, I would be doing the same thing on Mashaim's screen also so that he also understands. So if you don't understand anything, you can watch it here.
Should I share my screen?
Yes, you should. So my question is now from Zayan and Qasim. But so, do you guys want to ask anything?
No, sir.
Okay, then perfect. All of you are free to go now. Zayan, if you want to ask anything.
Yes, the yesterday's thing that I told you I had a doubt.
Yeah, sure. What is the thing that you had a doubt in?
Yes, it was that in the music level 7 I didn't understand what to do. Like
We
there
have
I had the
okay, we have a class tomorrow, right?
yes.
So that
Yes.
is the first thing that you tell me in that class. Okay.
Okay. And I also did the level tried the level 10 in the what
Maze game.